I'm Mike Dacre, North American Sales Manager for Hengst.
And I'm Tracy Long, Business Development Manager for Hengst.
We're here in Charlotte, North Carolina at Livingston and Haven's headquarters, one of our premier partner distributors in the Southeast. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the tools we have available for our customers online.
We have an excellent online tool, filterselect.com, our sizing calculator, where you can select variations of inline high pressure filters or suction return filters, depending on your application. This provides different options based on the pressure and flow requirements that you have. Let's look closer at how to size and select a typical high pressure filter. So now we're looking at our standard search screen under Filter Select. You first click the first drop down where we select hydraulics for industry and applications with lubricating oil. Secondly, the second drop down, you can either select a single or a duplex filter. Here we select an inline filter and a single filter. The third is where you indicate your pressure range desired. We'll pick here for this example 250 bar. Next we'll select the filter material and type. Here we'll pick our PWR10, which is our pure power glass fiber media commonly used in hydraulic fluids. For micron or fineness setting, we'll select a very common micron rating, which in this case can be 10 micron. The last thing we'll select is our flow rate. Here you can, of course, use either English units in gallons per minute or in liters per minute. We'll use 150 in this example. We can default to a kinematic viscosity of 32 centistokes, which is a typical hydraulic fluid, and we'll start our search and let the system select. We'll get a variety of choices as the system makes its consideration. The great thing about Filter Select is it'll select a recommended filter, it'll select 2 larger sizes and 1 smaller in case you're trying to be most economical. As we toggle to the right, it'll continue to show more details such as pressure drop restriction curves, and then one more toggle to the right ends with your final results summary. Here we can select our accessories such as indicator switches and sealing material. In this case, we've got a 5-bar bypass pressure, we've got a WE2SP electric indicator. We can select the outlet ports in this drop down. In this case, we can have either an SAE flange or an SAE thread, as well as NBR FKM gaskets. Let's select FKM and then toggle to the right. The final summary gives all the information on our selection, including the product code and types, which indicators were selected, which sealing material, all the summary information that you would need, whether preparing a quote or making your own engineering design. You can also give these curves to your customer. Additionally, we show the replacement elements, replacement gaskets, and other information that can be handy for servicing the filter. Once you have completed the filter selection, the application will provide pressure drop curves, product model codes, replacement elements, indicators, and a data sheet reference that you can use when designing your system.
Another online tool we have is Fit for Filter. You can look up filter elements by former Rexroth R numbers, long description, or by competitors' part numbers. This application contains thousands of cross-references, data sheets, and other technical information. Now let's take a closer look at how to use Fit for Filter. On Fit for Filter, we have all of our competitor part numbers already loaded into the system. In this example, we will pull up a Hydac part number 0060, and you'll notice as you're typing in the part number, options will start to preload. For this example, we'll select the W-HC option. As you hit the search, you'll see a couple of different options based on the Hengst cross-reference tool. We're going to look at the -HC option with the Hengst number R928022422. You can easily select the PDF to pull up a full data sheet of our competitor part number. You'll see our Hengst data sheet will load with all of our competitive information. For this part number, R928022-422, we've selected a 25 micron filter option. As you scroll down, you'll see all of the information needed when selecting your element, your OD, ID, length, etc.
We hope these tools make it easier to select a Hengst filter when making engineering decisions. Thank you for tuning in. Please visit our website or reach out to Livingston and Haven for more information.